Hey yo, what's up guys? It's been a long time since I uploaded a YouTube video. It's been 2 years right now, and 5 of these things that I want to change, right? So basically, you just enter the file name first. It's case sensitive, so be careful. Okay, it saves the file name, so you didn't need to enter the file name for the second time. So currently, it will save the file name that you have entered, and if you open the program again, it won't ask for the file name again. So next step is just use the third option, which is string replacer. So here we get 5 lines, right? The 5 lines we want to replace with another variables. So we're gonna replace 3 of them, which is loves, 2, and swarm. Okay, then we need to use the replace string, which is after it shows done replacing strings, you can recheck the notepad, and here you can see it's already changing the find variables. So this works in even complicated occasions, like if you're with me, like botting or Lua scripts. It works on Lua scripts too, which is very good and very useful for me. If you want to change your bot names, you have like 60 bot names, 100 bot names. It's a little bit time consuming, so you can use this either, and it's very simple to use. That's all. It's free. The program is free. You guys can download it straight from my drive. It's virus free too. I already sent send Microsoft a submission that this is a false positive, because when you download it, before it was before you run, when you execute the program, it will show smart screen windows, which is not good. And I already submit the report to Microsoft, and you can see here, yes, they approved that it's not a virus. It's the same files that I'm gonna give you guys to. You can download it for free. I forgot to mention that you can change the save file name using the option 2. Yes, if you decided to change the file names, the first one is test data, right? And if you want to change it like this, you can use the option 3 to, I mean option 2 to change the file name like so, test data 2.exe, oh I mean .txt, and the file name is currently testdata2.txt. That's it. If you want to exit the program, just go to option 4, and it will exit the program immediately. Uh, that's all. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you think that this video is great, you can like, and if you think I need more improvement, you can give a dislikes and a comment. See you guys on the next video, and see you on another time. Thank you.